Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how you can create a calculator in Python with just one line of code. So I have a folder ready here. Let's create a new file. Let's call it main.py. Now this is the code. And just write print here. And let's say result is eval input expression. Let's do this and then I'll show you how it is working. Okay, this is it, guys. This is all the code that you need to write. But there are some serious problems with this code, but it works. So let's see how this works and let's have some fun first and then I'll spoil the fun. So just run this and let's run this without debugging. So as you can see, we get this message here that says enter expression, that is this input here. So let's say 5 plus 6. Hit enter and as you can see the result is 11. Now let's run this again and here we can write, let's say, some complex stuff, write a random number, then let's divide this by something, point something. Hit enter and now we have our result. So you have made your calculator, but what is the problem here? So this eval is very powerful. What it does is it evaluates whatever is in here and then it runs it. So if we pass 2 into 3, 4 into 5, it will run those things also. But if you write some potentially harmful code, potentially malicious code that can delete your whole operating system or whatever, it will do it too. So make sure you are very careful when you use eval. So this is how you can create a calculator in one line, but this is not how you should create a calculator. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.